Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for complete statistical analysis. How to log in. Tap the module to reach the login page. On this page, you have two options: Get Started and Institutional Login. If you are an individual user, you can log in through Get Started using your email and password. If you are an institutional user, choose the Institutional Login option. Enter your institutional email address and generate an OTP. Each OTP is valid for 2 hours. If you already have an OTP, simply select the appropriate option and continue. You can use this OTP for any of the modules. Institutional users can also access the RAISINS AI Assistant RA1. Model datasets are available in the Dataset tab. You can use them to explore data arrangement if you have any confusion and to better understand how the final arranged dataset should look. How to do analysis. Performing analysis in RAISINS is simple. Go to the Analysis tab and click Browse to upload your dataset. After uploading the file, select Factors, N and Water. Select Response Column Yield. Since there is no blocking, avoid the blocking column. Then click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. Plotting and visualization. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Plots and Graph tab. Pareto plots. Residual graph. Response 2D graph. 3D response surface graph. Live 3D response surface graph. Ridge Analysis tab. Ridge analysis is used in RSM to identify the direction and distance from the design center that lead to improved response values when the optimum lies outside the experimental region. Optimization tab. This tab shows the best performing run and also enables the user to find the optimum levels for the factors. Interpretation tab. In the Interpretation tab, the RAISINS Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. RAISINS, the future of research.